Hi friends! Today we are going to learn about country flags that are made up of mostly yellow and blue colors, but also have some additional colors in them. Ready? Let's do this! The first on this list of countries with yellow and blue flags is Armenia, known for the stunning Caucasus Mountains and Armenian highlands. Up next, we have the flag of Barbados, known for its stunning beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture. Then we have the flag of Brazil, the legendary land of magical footballers. From there, we go to Colombia, the land of emeralds and coffee. Next up, we have Chad, known for the Enedi Plateau that features incredible rock formations and ancient cave art. We then have the flag of Ecuador, famous for the Galapagos Islands. Next, we have the flag of Gabon, home to large populations of gorillas and forest elephants. Up next, we have the flag of Kazakhstan, known for the stunning Chireen Canyon, rich culture and traditions, and great food. From here, we move to Mauritius, home to pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs. Then we have the flag of Mongolia, the land of wild horses and the Gobi Desert. Up next, we have the Philippines, home to the Chocolate Hills and the Banaue rice terraces. We now move to Romania, known for its beautiful landscapes, historic landmarks, and the legend of Dracula. Next, we have the flag of Rwanda, known as the land of 1,000 hills. We now move to Sweden, home to beautiful forests, lakes, and the Northern Lights. Next, we have Ukraine, known for historic sites like St. Sophia's Cathedral and the Kiev-Pechersk Lavra. We complete our list with Venezuela, the South American nation with vibrant festivals and the stunning Angel Falls. There you have it, guys. We now know all the country flags made up of yellow, blue, and some more colors. We hope you had a fun time learning. See you next time with more. Bye-bye.